Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my Clean Mama routine for the month of February. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for February, I am of course using all of my Phenix Plans scripts that I have custom made with Christine from Phenix Plans. Some of them she already had, but then others are custom. So I've got my daily tasks there, my weekly tasks here. We've got rotating task header, baseboards, and then monthly tasks and declutter. So I am going to use some washi from Fern Creek Stickers. This is kit 103. It's called Bold Heart. So I bought the deluxe washi. I'm going to use some of these skinnies down here. I have Planner Kate CLR3. This is the dark pink. It's color number 17. So I have these functional boxes. And I have my Clean Mama's Guide to a Clean Home. So let's flip to the daily tasks. So I'm going to put that to the side there. I also pulled some little icons that were left over from last year's February planning. So I'm going to use some of those maybe. And then I have this washi, this like petal washi that I had gotten from, I think, Michael's. I might try to bring some of this in. I've never used it before, but I thought I'd pull it. So we'll see what we end up using. So let's get started with the washi. So let's get this down. February is going to focus on the kitchen, which I think is a good one. So January was sort of the whole house focus, like declutter. Let me get a ruler here so I can tear this. And then moving into February, we're looking at the kitchen. Okay. I'm going to have to turn my book upside down because that's too hard for me to do. Okay, and then I think I'm going to use this kind of white background one. Again, I hope that I don't need to, hope that green doesn't show through too much. I don't think so. I think it looks okay. I like this one here. Kind of reminds me of sprinkles. Okay. Yeah, that's much easier for me to do while it's upside down. And then I'll put this one down. Oops, kind of crooked there. So I didn't get a ton of the tasks done in January just because it was super busy for me at work. I was working some later nights for me, later nights than usual. So that's okay. I did the best that I could. All right, so to cover this little green icon there, I know it's not really house cleaning related, but it is Valentine's related. And for February, for some reason, I just love going all love. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this little heart down. I'm just gonna move that up a little bit. Okay, cute. So that's that. And then let's go ahead and put the weekly kind of date boxes down. So I'm going to put that there. Oops, move this one over a little bit. There we go. And then the next one. So that's that. And then we'll flip over to the next page and let's see. What washi will we use? Let's do this one here. We'll do this one up on top. And then I might need to trim one. And then let's do, I like this one. Let's do this one since it's like just one strip of it. Gonna do that one next. This is a cute kit. I also have the weekly, so I'll be using this kit to plan one of the weeks in February. Okay, and then I'm gonna need another strip. I'm kind of thinking, I kind of like the looks of this one. And what I think I'll do is I'll just trim it down. Yeah, okay. So let me get my paper trimmer. Okay, so I have my paper trimmer and I'm just gonna take this off and let's do 1/4 of an inch. Okay. There's one strip, put that to the side, and there's the other. Okay. Back to the book. Put this. Now I think I'll just cover this little one here because I don't think I need that one because I only have 4 weeks in February, so we'll save that washi. And then let's go ahead and put the dates down for the last week in February. So that will go up here. Okay, and then to cover that one, I wanted to use this little guy, this little icon here. I thought that was sweet. And I thought, yep, he fits just perfectly there. Okay, cool. That's good. You're gonna see me using up a lot of leftover stickers, friends, ever since I did sort of my reorganization, which I do have to film that next video in that series. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so let's flip back here. So let's do daily tasks first. Let's get all of these headers down. So I'm gonna put these here like this. Friends, I apologize. I know my hands look really bad. It's cold and dry here, so I always go through really bad dry hands, and I put lotion on before filming every video, and it's still, my hands are just bad. I can't get away from it. And like my mom was saying, oh honey, your cuticles are peeling, and I'm going, no mommy, I don't know how. Like, I take vitamins, I just finished a page. I don't know, they're so bad, and I can't make I never know how to get them to look better, and I trim them and then they just get worse. And I even wear gloves when I wash the dishes. Friends, how many of you wear gloves when you do your dishes? Even just rinsing the dishes and sticking them in the dishwasher, I still wear gloves just to kind of protect my hands even more, and I still end up with really bad dry skin. It's bad, I know. Okay, let's get these weekly task headers down. Okay, so, oh, finished another sheet, yay! I love it when I finish a sheet. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is the order that I put these in, I'm gonna put down all of my daily 5. So it's make the bed, it's wipe down the counters, oops. Okay, and then check your floors. So checking the floors for me is I just kind of go around with a broom and I kind of sweep them. I sweep up kind of the big stuff. I'm gonna need another sheet of these. And then I do your tidy up, just kind of picking up clutter, tidying up around kind of all areas of the house. And then do a load of laundry every day. I don't have to do a load of laundry every day. Maybe 2 to 3 days a week. Okay, so those are the daily 5. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put all of those down and then I'll come back. Okay, so that's all of the daily 5 for each week. Make beds, wipe the counters, check the floors, tidy, and then do a load of laundry. So I have that for all 4 weeks. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this little stencil, and I have my clean color dot. I'm not super great at this. I use the stencil just to give me a guide so that I make sure I'm doing 7 days for the week. And I'm gonna try to put all of these little dots in here like this. And I will do this for each of the weeks. Okay, so I have all of my little checkbox dots, I guess you would say. And then now I'm gonna do all of the weekly tasks. And before I do that, what I wanna just do is put down sort of the days of the week here. So I'm just gonna do this for each week. Okay, so I just put the days of the week for each week, and now we will look at what the weekly tasks are. And here's where I just kind of vary it a little bit. So she has bathrooms first, and then dust, and then vacuum, and then wash floors, catch all, which is your Friday, sheets and towels on Saturday, and then Sunday is sort of like your day of rest where you just do the daily 5. Well, this doesn't really work for me as a working mom, and so I kind of have adjusted when I do things. And so Mondays is when I do the linens. So I'm gonna put this down first. I will do I'll put the load of sheets in or the load of towels in before I go to work, and then often I will come home for lunch and then take those out and put them in the dryer. And then let's see, where is garbage? Tuesday is garbage day. Here we go. I think these are my extra sheets. Okay, so Tuesday is garbage day because our garbage gets picked up really early on Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I don't have assigned because it's like middle of the week, kind of crazy going on. And so I just know I will be setting myself up for failure if I try to do some kind of house cleaning on those days. If I'm working late, it's usually on those days. So Friday is dust. And I always empty the fridge just because I do my grocery shopping on the weekend. And so I like to make sure that the fridge is empty before I do the shopping. So that's that. And then on Saturday is when I vacuum and mop. And I do both of these on the same day because I like to vacuum and then immediately mop afterwards. For some reason, if I were to mop the next day, I feel like my floors would be dirty again with crumbs or whatever on the floor. And I don't like mopping like that. I have to have the mopping done right after I've vacuumed. So I do those on Saturday. And then on Sunday, I do the bathrooms. Where did I do with my bathroom script? Here it is. Okay. So I do bathrooms, and then I water the plants. I feel like that bathroom script is really crooked. Let me fix that. That's better. And then I scoop the poop in the backyard. Okay, so that's how my weekly tasks look. So let me go ahead and finish putting all those in. Okay, so that is all of the weekly tasks. Linens on Monday, garbage on Tuesday night, dusting and emptying the fridge. Oh, let me put my little and signs in there. Bathroom, water plants, and then scoop poop. Okay, so next we're gonna go to, in the little book here, the rotating task that you do kind of on a monthly basis. So let's put rotating tasks. Let's put this little header down. I'm gonna put that there. And then I feel like we always vacuum the baseboards, which I tend to do kind of every time I vacuum anyway. And then we are spot cleaning furniture, living, dining, light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe switches, phones, remotes, spot clean walls, wipe down appliances, and then clean vents. Okay, so let me go ahead and write all of these in. Okay, so that's it for the rotating tasks. And then looking at the monthly focus. So for February, it's the kitchen. So let's put down monthly. And I put this here. And I'm gonna write the kitchen so we know what we're talking about. Okay, and the first thing is always a declutter, which I think we're in need of doing this. I did it right after the pandemic started. So completely clear counters and wipe clean. Okay. I'm going to put counters here so I know that that's what that's referring to. And then clean surfaces. So that's referring to wiping down cabinets and drawers. Deep clean. Refrigerator, freezer, and oven. Okay, and then food storage. That's clean your pantry or food storage area, which does need to be done in our house. Toss and donate. Items that are no longer needed or wanted. Organize. group like things together, contain. I do not go out and buy new containers when she says go out and buy containers. Use pretty containers to make food and cooking supplies more attractive. Label. It says to make locating items easier. Scrub the kitchen sink. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna put kitchen sink in here. I think I do need to do that. And then the last one is clean most touched areas. I'm not gonna bother writing that down because I feel like that's here in the wipe, switches, phones, remotes. I also do the handles and knobs and stuff like that. So I don't think, actually I can put it over here. I'll just do this. But I do that as part of wiping the switches and stuff down, like all of the, when if I'm doing the counters, I will do the handles and all of that. So that's the monthly focus, which is the kitchen. Okay, so then let's just throw in a couple of these little doodads here just to kind of dress this little page up. These are like little petals. So I've never used this before and I thought they'd be kind of cute. I don't know how to actually, okay, so like there's a whole little strip. See this little strip? I guess we kind of, you're supposed to kind of layer them and make maybe like a little flower out of it, I guess. Let's see. I'm not really doing a very good job of this, am I? But I thought this might be kind of cute here in the corner. That's pretty. That's sweet. Just a little flower there to dress the page up a little bit. And then let's put one maybe down here. I have also this pink color. This is kind of pretty. Let's try one of these. So let's see. Does it do the same thing where it kind of... Let's put this here. Maybe we don't do like all of them, but just something to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Oops, this one kind of tore a little bit. It's stuck to the plastic there. Let's do one more. Let's put one more of these on here. Like a little, oh, that's pretty. These are kind of pretty, friends. Huh, okay. Well, at least I can say that I used them. I kind of like that. All right, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.